Okay, hi, I'm going to make a volcano eruption. So, you have to place your volcano on a plate and add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. Put it in that hole and one more in that hole. Now next add 1 large spoonful of credit and add it.
Citric acid.
Citric and
Acid.
acid. And put it in that hole. Now
How many spoons of citric acid?
1 large spoon.
Okay.
Now next fill in the beaker with
Okay.
15 ml water.
Yeah. Fill in that. So you have the markings on the beaker. Put the water.
15
Yeah.
15
15
ml
is
of water.
yeah. So around little less than 20, between 10 and 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
And pour the water in the hole. Now you have to be careful. Move away. You have to be a little careful and pour that in.
Oh, volcano! Yeah.
Volcano! And this is the volcano eruption.
Very nice.
Wow, volcanoes!
Volcano. I can see some smoke also. Effervescence.
You have to be careful with your eyes.
Nice. Very good, Brinda. And Mukunda.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye.